I need to fart. I wiped my ass and hit the streets. You're right, my name's Phil, F-I-L. Fucking hell. Well, it's been a fucking good day so far. I'm just in the toilet, dishing up a chicken tikka. Fucking hell. That actually smells like fucking dog shit. It was a golden 2 secs. Oh! This is going to be a ripper. 3, 2, 1. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. And the rest was just firing out my ass in pungent methane format. 2 secs. Fantastic beer. Oh, listen to this. It's going to be a ripper. When's it your Dolomio day? Listen to this. It's going to be a ripper. Oh! Welcome to the barbecue. What the fuck was that? Alright. You alright? It's Phil. To see my ass was speaking and potentially leaking. I found myself a large chicken salad with extra. You're right, it's Phil, F-I-L. Oh, 2 secs. Of 1 pound. This is 2 secs. Oh. Never too old for a fart. Fucking hell. Bistro. It fucks me up quite a bit for the rest of the day, but I think it's a small price to pay, really. I live my life on the edge, and I'll take the risk of shitting my pants at work if I can have a nice little like cheesy wheezy for breakfast. I hope you have a good day.